There comes a moment in every man's life when the mirror seems to tell a different story. A story of slowing down, of energy dimming, of a vitality that once burned so brightly, now reduced to a flickering ember. We're often told this is simply the inevitable march of time, a natural surrender to the years. But what if I told you that story isn't entirely true? What if I told you that beneath the surface of what feels like an irreversible decline, there lies a hidden wellspring of rejuvenation, waiting to be rediscovered? A simple secret, not of youth restored, but of vitality rekindled, of a power you thought lost, waiting patiently for your touch. Meet Arthur. Arthur is 68. He's lived a full life, built a successful career, raised a wonderful family. Yet, in recent years, a quiet shadow had crept into his existence. His morning walks felt heavier, his enthusiasm for hobbies waned, and the spark in his intimate life had, frankly, gone out. He'd tried everything: supplements, doctor visits, even just trying harder. But nothing seemed to stick. Each failed attempt chipped away at his confidence, leaving him feeling less like the vibrant man he once was, and more like a muted echo. He believed this was just his lot, the price of growing older. A common narrative, isn't it? One many of us, or men we know, might recognize. But Arthur was about to discover something profound. He was about to learn that many of the physiological issues he experienced, the diminished energy, the chronic aches, and yes, the challenges with erectile function, weren't solely due to the calendar pages turning. They were often symptoms of something far more addressable, a silent epidemic of pelvic tension and poor blood circulation. And the solution? It wasn't found in a complex medical procedure or an expensive prescription. It was found in a simple, overlooked spot on the human body, a point so potent, some call it the $1 million point. A mere 60 seconds of daily attention to this area, the perineum, could unlock a cascade of restorative benefits. Imagine your body as a magnificent, intricate network of rivers and pathways. When these pathways become constricted, when tension builds up, the flow of vital energy and blood is hindered. The perineum, that small diamond-shaped area between the genitals and the anus, is a crucial crossroads in this network. It's a hub where numerous nerves, arteries, and muscles converge. When we release the chronic tension often held here, we literally decompress those vital nerves and arteries. We stimulate a fresh, robust circulation of blood, not just to the immediate area, but throughout the entire pelvic region. This isn't just about localized relief. It's about re-establishing a healthy, vibrant flow that impacts your entire being. Before we dive into the how, let's talk about the what not to do, because sometimes knowing what to avoid is just as powerful as knowing what to embrace. Many men, like Arthur initially, fall into common traps. Firstly, ignoring pelvic tension. We carry so much stress in our shoulders, our necks, our jaws, but rarely do we consider the tension we hold in our pelvic floor. This often unconscious clenching can restrict blood flow and nerve signals for years, slowly eroding vitality. Secondly, relying solely on medication. While modern medicine offers incredible solutions, many medications for erectile dysfunction, for example, are designed to mask symptoms, not address the root cause. They can offer temporary relief, but they often don't resolve the underlying issues of poor circulation or chronic tension. It's like patching a leak without checking the integrity of the entire pipe. And perhaps the most insidious mistake of all, believing that age inevitably means decline. This mindset is a self-fulfilling prophecy. While certain changes are natural with age, a complete loss of vitality, a surrender to perpetual fatigue, or a resigned acceptance of diminished intimacy is not an unchangeable fate. Your body is incredibly resilient, and it responds to care, attention, and the right kind of stimulation, regardless of the number on your birth certificate. So, how do we begin to unlock this forgotten potential? It starts with simply locating this powerful point. The perineum, as I mentioned, is the area of skin and muscle situated between your anus and your scrotum. For some, it might feel a little sensitive at first. For others, simply a bit numb from years of neglect. You can easily locate it by gently placing your fingertips in the area. Take a moment to feel it, to acknowledge this often overlooked part of your anatomy. This simple act of awareness is the first step in reconnecting with your body's innate wisdom. Next, let's talk about comfort and technique. This isn't meant to be a strenuous exercise, but a soothing, restorative practice. Posture. Find a comfortable position. Many men prefer to sit on the edge of a chair, perhaps leaning slightly forward, allowing easy access to the perineum. Others find it more comfortable to recline in a warm bath or shower, which also helps relax the muscles. Some prefer to stand with one foot raised on a low stool. The key is relaxation. Your muscles should be as relaxed as possible. Pressure. This is crucial. We're not trying to inflict pain. We're aiming for gentle yet firm stimulation. Begin with light pressure, just enough to feel the area. As you become more accustomed, you can gradually increase the pressure, aiming for a sensation that feels good. A deep, satisfying release, not discomfort or sharp pain. Think of it like kneading dough, gently working out the stiffness. You might find areas that feel particularly tight or tender. These are often the spots that need the most attention. Listen to your body. It will tell you what's right. Now, for the actual massage. We'll start with a foundational technique, a gentle opener to this journey of self-care. The circular motion. Using the pad of your index finger, or even your thumb, begin to apply gentle circular motions directly on the perineum. Imagine you're drawing tiny spirals, slowly expanding and contracting them. Move clockwise for about 30 seconds, then counterclockwise for another 30 seconds. Focus on the sensation. You might feel a subtle warmth building, a tingling, or simply a deep sense of release. This gentle, rhythmic movement helps to loosen superficial tension, awaken dormant nerve endings, and encourage initial blood flow. It's a warm invitation to your body to begin the process of healing and rejuvenation. This initial circular massage is just the beginning, a gentle introduction to a profound practice. In just 60 seconds a day, you're already sending a powerful message to your body. I am here, I am listening, and I am ready to restore what has been lost. This simple step can lay the groundwork for significant changes that extend far beyond the physical. In Part 2, we will delve deeper into advanced techniques, explore the power of warming oils, discuss the true magic of consistency, and unveil the incredible timeline for results, not just for vitality and erectile function, but for a holistic transformation that will redefine what it means to age with grace and power. For now, take this first step. Discover the $1 million point and begin your journey. Welcome back, my friends, to the second part of our journey. A journey not just of discovery, but of profound reclamation. In Part 1, we unlock the secret of the $1 million point, that potent hub of energy and vitality, and began with the gentle, circular motion. This was your warm invitation to your body, a signal that you are ready to heal, to rejuvenate. Now, we delve deeper, building upon that foundation to unlock even greater potential. Once you've softened the area with those initial circular movements, you're ready for techniques that engage deeper layers of tissue and nerve pathways. Remember, this is about listening to your body, not forcing it. First, let's explore the press and release technique. After your circular warm-up, place the pad of your index finger or thumb firmly on the perineum. Apply steady, moderate pressure, enough to feel a deep stretch or release, but never pain. Hold this pressure for about 5 to 10 seconds, feeling the tension melt away, almost as if you're decompressing a spring. Then, slowly release the pressure. Repeat this 5 to 7 times, perhaps moving your finger slightly to different microspots within the perineum area. This technique is remarkably effective at targeting stubborn knots of tension, allowing blood to rush into the area as you release, flushing away stagnation and bringing fresh oxygen and nutrients. It's like clearing a blocked pathway, allowing life to flow freely again. Next, consider the gentle pulsing technique. This is a rhythmic, almost hypnotic motion. With your finger or thumb on the perineum, apply a light to moderate pressure, and then gently pulse or pump it. Think of it as a very subtle, rhythmic compression and release, perhaps 2 to 3 pulses per second. This isn't about deep tissue massage. It's about creating a vibratory effect that stimulates nerve endings and encourages a steady, gentle flow of blood. This technique can feel incredibly soothing and energizing simultaneously, awakening dormant pathways and bringing a lively hum to the area. Experiment with these techniques, combining them as feels right for your body. Your daily 60 seconds can be a beautiful blend of these practices, tailored to what your body needs on any given day. Now, let's talk about enhancing this already powerful practice: the magic of warmed oils. Just as a warm bath soothes your muscles, a warmed oil can significantly amplify the benefits of your perineum massage. Oils provide essential lubrication, allowing your fingers to glide effortlessly, preventing friction and irritation. But beyond that, they carry therapeutic properties deep into the tissues. Consider castor oil, revered for centuries for its anti-inflammatory and deep tissue-penetrating qualities. It can help break down scar tissue and promote profound healing. Coconut oil, a readily available and gentle option, offers excellent lubrication and skin-nourishing benefits. And then there's a black seed oil, a potent ancient remedy known for its circulatory benefits and anti-inflammatory properties, making it an excellent choice for stimulating blood flow and reducing tension. To warm your oil, simply place a small amount in a clean, heat-safe dish and set it in a bowl of warm water for a few minutes, or rub a few drops between your palms until it's comfortably warm. A little goes a long way. The warmth itself is a signal to your body to relax, inviting the tissues to soften and become more receptive to the massage. This simple addition can transform your daily minute into an even more profound act of self-care. But perhaps the most profound secret to unlocking the full power of this practice is not in the technique itself, nor in the oils, but in something far simpler, yet often overlooked: consistency. We live in a world that often champions intensity over regularity, seeking the quick fix or the monumental effort. But here, the true magic lies in the gentle, unwavering commitment of 1 minute every single day. 1 minute, consistently applied, is infinitely more powerful than an hour-long session once a month. Think of it like watering a plant. A little water every day keeps it thriving, while a flood once a month will likely drown it or leave it parched. This isn't a chore, it's a daily ritual, a sacred moment you dedicate to your own well-being. It's a message to your body that you are committed to its restoration, day in and day out. This consistency is what builds new neural pathways, establishes healthy circulation patterns, and allows your body to truly integrate the healing. And what can you expect from this unwavering commitment? Let's talk about the timeline of transformation. This isn't an overnight miracle, but a gradual, profound unfolding of vitality. Within 1 to 3 weeks, you will likely begin to notice subtle yet significant changes. The most immediate benefit is often a palpable sense of pelvic relaxation. That chronic tension you might not even have realized was there will start to ease. You might feel a greater sense of comfort in your lower body, perhaps even a subtle increase in overall energy, as your body begins to release long-held stress. You'll become more attuned to your body, more aware of this powerful center. By 4 to 6 weeks, and the improvements become much more pronounced. This is often when men report significant improvements in erectile function. The increased blood flow, the decompression of nerves and arteries, and the release of deep tension begin to manifest in tangible ways. You'll feel a renewed sense of vigor, a return of the vitality you thought was lost to time. Confidence begins to soar as you reclaim this fundamental aspect of your masculinity. And as you continue this practice for 8 to 12 weeks and beyond, these results become stable and deeply integrated. This isn't a temporary fix. It's a recalibration of your body's natural state. You're not just masking symptoms. You're addressing the root causes, establishing a new baseline of health and function that can last for years to come. But the benefits, my friends, extend far beyond the physiological mechanics of erectile function. This journey of self-care at the million-dollar point unlocks a holistic transformation. Imagine improved confidence, not just in the bedroom, but in every aspect of your life. When you feel vital and capable, that energy radiates outward, impacting your relationships, your work, your sense of self-worth. Think of enhanced intimacy. When you are comfortable and confident in your own body, you can connect more deeply and authentically with your partner, fostering a richer, more fulfilling bond. Many men also experience a significant reduction in chronic hip pain and lower back stiffness, direct results of releasing deep pelvic tension that often contributes to these widespread discomforts. You might also notice better bladder control, as the massage strengthens the pelvic floor and improves nerve communication in the entire region. And perhaps most universally appreciated, a profound increase in overall energy levels. When your body is free from chronic tension, when blood flows unimpeded and nerves are decompressed, your entire system operates more efficiently, leaving you feeling more vibrant, more engaged with life. My friends, the narrative that tells us age inevitably means decline, that vitality is a youthful privilege, is a story we no longer have to accept. This simple, ancient wisdom, distilled into a daily minute of self-care, offers you a profound opportunity to rewrite your own story. It's a testament to the incredible healing power of your own body, waiting for you to simply give it the attention and support it deserves. This isn't about chasing youth. It's about reclaiming your inherent power, your natural vitality, and embracing a richer, more fulfilling life at any age. It's about understanding that true strength comes not from resisting the natural process of aging, but from intelligently supporting your body through it. So, I urge you, take this knowledge, embrace this practice, dedicate 1 minute a day to yourself, to your vitality, to your future. Discover the profound changes that await you. Feel the tension melt away, experience the surge of renewed energy, and reclaim the confidence and intimacy that are your birthright. This journey begins and ends with you, and the incredible power you hold within. Step into this new chapter with courage, consistency, and the unwavering belief that your best years are not behind you, but waiting to be lived, fully and vibrantly, starting today.